Dear Sir, in reply to your favor of the 16th, we regret that we cannot undertake the responsibility of adopting your suggestions with regard to the machine. We are willing to execute the repairs to the best of our ability and on the lowest terms possible, but as we started in our last letter, the methods you propose would be attended with great risk to the rider. If you decide to leave the matter to us, you might inform us by return of post, and we will put the work in hand at once so as to be able to dispatch the machine by goods train on Saturday. We need hardly say that we pay the best price for all the materials we use, and we guarantee them to be of the best quality obtainable. Referring to your letter of the 9th, we have done our best to induce the carriers to quote special rates for the goods consigned to you, but they decline to make any reduction on the ordinary rates unless the traffic is considerably increased. With reference to our statement of account for last quarter, we beg to call attention to the fact that the balance due has not yet been received, and we will thank you for a check or a postal order for the amount at your earliest convenience. We shall give early consideration to your inquiries for the special tandem and will forward the specification desired as soon as convenient. Yours faithfully. Para change. Dear Sir, I brought your letter before the board of directors at their meeting yesterday, but after some discussion, they were obliged to postpone further consideration of the matter until the next directors meeting, which will be held on the last Tuesday afternoon of this month. I think the directors would be glad if you would kindly set forth your proposals more fully than is done in your letter. The first cost of the material is very low, but the question of the additional cost of preparing it for sale and the additional expense which will probably be incurred in advertising it is sure to be taken into consideration by the directors, and if they had your estimate of what the total expenditure is likely to amount to, it would no doubt help them in coming to a decision. If you will make an appointment for some day next week, I shall be glad to see you and it is just possible that I may be able to give you some further particulars. Meanwhile, I have the pleasure to enclose copy of the director's report published last month. Yours faithfully.